Air Conditioning Maintenance Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global air conditioning maintenance market size. It will expand at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America air conditioning maintenance market size and will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe air conditioning maintenance market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size. Asia Pacific air conditioning maintenance market size and will grow at a CAGR of 8.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America air conditioning maintenance market and will grow at a CAGR of 5.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa air conditioning maintenance market size and will grow at a CAGR of 5.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.